I bought these light bulbs for like $3 total. This one was a little bit more expensive. This was a little bit less. One of them, this one is RGB with a remote control and kind of strong with 800 lumens, like 60-watt classical light bulb, but only when it's white. As you know, most of these don't count the colors. The colors are very, 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 very low brightness. Only the white is 60 watts. So yeah, this was like 10 cents more expensive. Makes sense because it has additional hardware. This one is with a motion sensor, I think. Did I make a mistake? What does it say? 7 watt and only 400 lumens. So yeah, this is not very efficient, but yeah, the rest of the power is used to power the electronics that is always on, and it's looking for people moving or cats or whatever. So yeah, which one should we take apart first? Let's take this. And nothing interesting here. Oh, it can't, it's not dimmable. That makes sense. 15,000 times can be turned off and on, whatever. It's warm white. Okay, let's unbox it and take it apart. Not totally, I just want to remove the bulb to see what's inside, because it's very interesting that almost for $1 it's sticking out. Or just for $1 they can include all these things. This sensor and the microcontroller probably. This is interesting. It's integrated into the bulb. Okay, let's try it out first. So here I have a socket. It's not turned on yet. Like that. And let's turn it on. Ooh, that's bright. And what do I do? Do I stand still? And wait for it to turn off? It turned off. Okay, and if I move? Nope. I don't know what its problem is. Yeah, this must be defective. Oh, I turned it on myself. And then it turned on. So it needs a large warm body. Okay, that makes sense. My hand is not warm enough or big enough. So yeah, this seems legit. It's working as intended. Probably made in China. Yeah. Let's take it apart. Let's see. Yeah, everything should be mounted on the circuit boards. This should be removable. Let's see. Is it easy? If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it. Oh, it's beginning to budge there. So, yeah, I don't know about this. Maybe come back to it later. But it's budging there. Okay. With a screwdriver? No. With a blade? Maybe. Let's do it with a blade. Where did I put the blade? Oops, I cut into it. Is that a problem? If I cut? Maybe I cut some components off. That's not the best idea. But it should. Oh boy. Yeah. I don't have the strength right now. I will destroy it later. Let's try the other one first. So I'm not going to take apart this one either, just try it out. So any precautions? Not dimmable. Yeah, 9 watt. Yeah, warm white. Warm white? What? I thought it's a RGB. Yeah, whatever. Let's see. Oh, here it is. Like that. A manual, which I'm not going to read. And here's the remote. Yeah, worth $1 or $2. And I have another remote here. I'm going to try this one too. These, in theory at least, these are all compatible. These Chinese crap remotes. Okay, so let's take the socket, light socket, Edison 27. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's red. Then let's try this one. This is the from something else from Nah, it doesn't want to. Maybe it's a different frequency. So let's try this one. So you remove that. Oh, yeah, this one works. So let's turn it on. And let's go red. Yeah. This is lame. Low brightness, very low. I mean, it's weaker than my mobile phone's flash. That is turned on right now. So let's see, do we have more power? No, maybe less. Yeah, you can set it to less. But yeah, and you can have switch to some modes here. Yeah, this is crap. I officially vote crap on this. Whatever. At least the white is. Oh, this is. It's messing up the camera. That's nice. If you decrease the brightness, yeah, that will mess with everything. It's introducing all sorts of frequencies, but at maximum brightness it's okay. It doesn't mess with the sensor. So yeah, this is not good for your eyes either if you decrease the brightness. So yeah, it doesn't work with the other remote, but yeah, okay, that's good. So let's turn it off. Let's try removing the. Oh, it's got some damage or dirt on it. What? Just some packaging material. I don't know how it got there. So let's see. Do we have more luck with this? I don't really want to destroy them. Come on. Nah, it's not going to work. Whatever. I don't know. I will destroy them in another video, probably. The problem is that they not only put glue under the bulb, like one ring, that would be ideal. They put excessive amount of glue, and that spreads to the outside too, you can see. to the outside and a lot of it remains inside, so it's gripping the plastic, and yeah, it's usually hard to remove. There's no easy way. But yeah, the main thing is not to destroy it, maybe just cut around it, and then I can glue it back if I want. So yeah, I think that's the plan. Let's end this video, and the destroying will be in another video.